Hello everyone. You know very well that due to COVID-19, schools are not going to reopen. Our some students of class third not sorry, they have gone to fourth already, and up to third they have written already in 4-line copies, 2-line copies, and square copies with pen. They are feeling so many problems, I think, कि how to write in single line copy cursive handwriting. So today I want to show you how to manage cursive letters in single line copies. So please look carefully and learn. First of all, I will show you how to make A. You know very well, in single line copies we have to care in middle line which letters we are making, that will be smaller. Among 3 lines which letter we were writing, that will come some upper side. Yes, try to see carefully. You have to imagine that single line, which single line you are getting in your notebook, that is bottom middle lines. Whenever we are doing a study in 4-line copy, so we are getting like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4-line copy we are getting, we are telling to these lines middle lines, and we are preparing A, C, E. These letters we are preparing already in middle lines. So you have to imagine this single line is a bottom middle line, this is upper middle line, and this is down middle line. So you have to imagine this is downsides middle line. So in that case you can write very nicely the cursive letters. Yes, we will go ahead. E, then F we are writing already among 4 lines, so F will go some up and some downwards. G we are writing among lower 3 lines, then it will go from this single line little down. After that H, I. Why I am showing these letters? Because you have to see that up and down how we will write, because naturally you are not getting proper guideline from teacher's side at present, because online classes are going on and they are completing already syllabus, so it is not possible for them. That's why I am showing, and some parents send queries if their kids not able to write in single line copies properly, so you have to look carefully. This P in lower line we are writing, Q also we are writing in lower lines, R we are writing in middle line, that's why it will come like this simply. S we have to write among middle line, T it will go upward, U, V, then W also in middle line we are writing, it will small little. Y we are writing in lower 3 lines, it means it will go down, and Z. If you are feeling any problem during writing, so whenever you are starting writing question answer, that time you can do one thing, in starting you can leave this line, means one line you have to write and second line you have to leave, then third line you have to start, right? But always we can't do like this, that's why we have to do practice for this all letters. Now I will show you how to make words. Suppose we are writing here nothing, then N, O, T, H, I, and G. We are very proud teachers because our students are learning very nicely in Mahesh Memorial. Our all students are following to teachers always, and they are writing very nicely as well as they are learning also very nicely. Now listen here, nothing, N we have written here capital, N already capital N we are writing among 3 lines, that's why Like this we have to write in single line. O already in middle line, that's why I have made small. T we are writing in 3 lines, that's why it is sum up from O. You have to see difference, that O and N, yes, it is difference because we are writing in these letters in middle line. O we are writing in middle line, I we are writing in middle line, N we are writing in middle line, and these 3 letters we are writing upper 3 lines, right? And G already we are writing in lower 3 lines. Yes, so I think you have understand this ki how to write in single line copy. Now C H A S, has, how we have written has? H you know very well, H we are writing among upper 3 lines, yes, 1 2 3 4, yes, H we are writing among upper 3 lines, that's why H we have to write from this single line little up. A and S we are writing in middle lines, that's why it will be like this, small. Next word you have to look, B double E, means how to join letters, that also you have to look very carefully. Means in cursive what is happening, that whenever we are making any letter in A, B, C, like this we are making, then small lines are there in between the letters. Why? To join the another letter. So it little bit gap will provide among all letters, then it will more nice and your writing will look attractive, right? O single A we will write. West, how to write West? W A S T E. This sentence why I am writing, because you have to look each and every letter very properly, how I have made. W single line we are using. W means small we have to write. If capital W you will write, then it will come up to here. Yes, don't touch the line, because if you will touch the line, then upper side if any letter we are making, then it will disturb to that letter. Yes, so this thing you have to take care. West of. O how you will write? O F. Yes, F why we have written like this? It is going from single line upward also and downward also. Why? Because F already we are writing among all 4 lines. Yes, whenever we are looking 4 line, then F how we are making, from here we are starting, then it is going full down and we are using all 4 line for F. That's why F in single line we have to write in this manner. Clear? Now without leaving line you can write time. Yes, now look here, nothing we have written and downside of this time we have written, but it is not disturbing to each other. Yes, because we are not making too much high letters. If T we are writing up to here, then naturally this writing will disturb. That's why you have to use proper distance. Time, then EVERY. How to join V, that also you have to look carefully. In joining V, maximum students are feeling problems. Just I am showing by pencil. After that I will show you by pen also. Yes, and look D, how I am making D, you have to look carefully. And see, this is middle lines letter and this is upper 3 line letter. Clear? EVERYONE. Yes, everyone is means means we should not write very big letter also and very small also. If very small we are writing, then letters means we can't make properly. In reading we will feel problem. So our writing, at least to us, we can means understand what we have written already, and teacher should also understand. Otherwise during exam you will get less marks if you will not write carefully, clean and proper, right? You are on here, each and every letter I have shown already. Yes. J, how to make J? J O, like this letter if you are getting, then sometime we are confusing ki how to join. So please look carefully. Writing is the first impression. If we are writing good, then anybody is looking our notebook, then they are thinking how nice students, how nicely neat and clean they have written. So always you have to try that your writing must be neat and clean. Now I will show you by pen. I hope you are understanding. Any doubt, then anytime you can WhatsApp me your problem. Yes. Now same sentence we will write by pen. Pen you should not hold very tightly. Simply you have to hold pen like this. Yes, very tight pen if we are catching, then our hands are paining. Yes, so light you have to make, means you have to hold the pen lightly. You have to look carefully only how I am making. Try to make like this. You have to learn that up and down in one line copy. Yes. And if you are learning very properly, so please send me your handwriting. 4-5 lines you have to write very properly in a single line copy and send to me. What is mistakes, I will show you, and you have to improve that mistakes. Yes, because sufficient time we are getting at home at present. So if we will learn anything good, then it is very nice for our bright future. Yes, I told already, writing is the first impression. If anyone's writing is bad and he is very intelligent, then also means teachers are telling, yeah, he is writing very bad, and sometimes teachers are getting marks. Yes, so please you have to take care. Everything. Yes, and you have to make practice every day. Why? Because sometimes it is happening after many days we are writing, then our hands are trembling. Yes, so please take care. Every day you have to practice little bit, whatever your teachers are giving works in online classes, offline classes. So you have to prepare yourself very properly. On journey. Look, is it clear? G, up to where we have to take from this single line, it is going little down. Our circle must be proper. Yes, from where we have to start letter, that also you have to take care. How to join letters, that also you have to be careful. Yes, so I hope you have understand this. And any query regarding this, how to join the letters, how you are filling problem in one line copy, I will show you Hindi also, means how to write Hindi letters in single line copies, because Hindi also already you have written in 2 line copies. So that time I think you are not feeling problem in 3rd standard, but the 4th standard students, they are feeling especially problem because their copy changed this year. तो I hope it is helpful for you. So do practice every day, and if possible then you have to write 4-5 lines in neat and clean handwriting and send to me. Okay, bye bye.